purpose.
When you have all these delicious ingredients, you got some things to consider, like how to keep all the flavors.
Welcome to Softshare Athena, Softshare's easy-to-use web-based EDI solution. Because Athena is web-based, there is no software to install.
Applebee's hit the streets to invite people to try their bold new handheld sandwiches. I've never really tasted anything.
And you can begin trading with your EDI trading partners within a matter of minutes. Softshare Athena presents EDI transactions as easy-to-read HTML documents that can be printed and replied to with minimal effort. Athena is available in multiple languages. Simply choose your language and then log in. Athena is ideal not only for your partners in the United States, but also for your international partners. Anyone can use Athena from anywhere. All you need is an internet browser to access your Athena EDI mailbox. We'll proceed with this demonstration in English. If you are new to Athena and you'd like to try it out, we welcome you to visit this page and log in using the guest account. We'll use the guest account for this demonstration. Notice how Athena resembles an email application in both appearance and organization. The left-hand pane currently shows a classic view with documents from various trading partners grouped according to document type. You can create, name, move, and delete folders according to your needs. You can also specify your folder settings using the folder preferences. Here, we're changing the folder settings view to partners. Now we can quickly see the new documents that have arrived from each of our trading partners.
More than enough to convict.
EDI has
Agree with you.
I have Agent Cooper at the Internet Cafe in
exacting requirements. For example, according to the EDI X12 standard, it is usual and customary to return a 997 functional acknowledgement upon receiving a message. This way, the sender is notified when their message arrives. Athena automatically takes care of creating the 997 functional acknowledgement transaction for you.
She executed Mr. Moore.
Notice how the order from our Starbucks partner doesn't have the typical appearance of an EDI document. Clicking on View Native Format displays the underlying EDI data that makes up the transaction. Softshare Athena handles X12, Edifact, and Tradecom's transactions with ease. Native EDI isn't easy to work with, so let's return to the user-friendly HTML view. Softshare Athena is forms-based, meaning that each document that you send to your partner looks like a data entry form. These forms collectively make up a trading partner kit.
With what?
Softshare develops a trading partner kit for each of your partners to make sure that the EDI documents that you create are compliant with the EDI specifications provided by your partners. Different partners require different transactions, and each transaction has its own requirements. When we click on the reply option for Starbucks, we see that this trading partner requires that we return an EDI invoice in response to their purchase order. Keep in mind that you may see different options for different partners. In this case, when we click on the EDI invoice, the data form opens. As you can see, much of the information is already filled in. Athena used the EDI information from our partner's purchase order to populate the invoice. One piece of information that wasn't contained in the purchase order is an invoice number, so we'll enter that in the field provided. The line item information was automatically copied over, so all we have to do is verify that it's correct. Let's proceed with the line items and make sure there aren't any errors in the data that came in from the purchase order. You can change any of the values on the form. We only shipped a partial shipment of raspberry scones, so we'll adjust the quantity accordingly. All of the fields may be edited, but the bolded fields may not be left blank, since these fields are mandatory per your trading partner's EDI specifications. Upon completion of the data entry form, we can review our invoice for accuracy.
What weapons are registered to Dr. Tillman?
Again, we see that Athena created the underlying EDI. Everything looks good, so let's send our document. The invoice is immediately delivered to the Softshare Value-Added Network, where it is then relayed to your trading partner.
How can I help you, Detective?
Let's take a look at the requirements of another trading partner. Opening the Zoomingdale's folder, we see that a number of purchase orders have arrived. Clicking the reply button, we see that Zoomingdale's requires us to send back two types of documents, invoices, and ship notices.
I don't like guts.
These two
I know.
transactions make up Zoomingdale's unique trading partner kit.
I'm well aware of what you
Now
mean.
I'll demonstrate Athena's barcoding
You
capabilities.
could be charged with obstruction.
Our partner,
recording
Neptune
information
Motors,
from the
requires that we send
How
back
about
ship
accessory
notices
after the
as well
fact?
as barcode
You might
labels.
even make a conspiracy case
Before
if
we're
you
able to
try.
create a
Sounds like you
barcode, we
helped
must
Lawrence
first
on the
complete
murder.
the ship
No,
notice.
I didn't.
Then why
Athena
won't you
will copy
cooperate?
over as much
My
information as
husband
possible
obsessed
from the
over
document we
woodsmen.
received from Neptune
Every
Motors.
victim he killed took a little bit more
For the sake of this
out Carl.
demonstration,
It
I'll
crushed
click the
him.
Select All button and
He never
assume
would
that
have
the
let
information
that
is
vicious
correct on
killer
all of the
sit
line
here and push
items.
himself for the rest of his life.
When we're ready to create our barcode, we select the Barcode button from the top menu. The barcode is generated to our screen in PDF format and can then be printed.
To shoot Larry Moore.
Now I'll demonstrate some interface features available within
But I
Athena.
certainly won't help you.
For example,
far away.
if we want to search for a transaction by
Now,
purchase
please
order
go.
number, we can type the number in the search window at the top of the screen. Athena quickly locates the correct purchase order. In the left-hand margin, you'll notice Athena's reporting module, allowing us to quickly see all documents sent and received from our Athena mailbox.
We have everything we need to force her to plead out.
Also in the left-hand margin, there is the option to add additional user accounts to Athena. Since Athena is a web-based application, there is no limit to the number of users you can add. When a user is added, they are sent an email message asking them to activate their Athena login using a username and password of their choice. Next, I'll demonstrate another important Athena feature. Under the Preferences settings, there is an option to turn on Mailbox Messenger. If you don't receive many EDI documents, then it may be easy to forget to log into Athena on a regular basis. Using the Mailbox Messenger system, you can be notified each time a new document arrives in your Athena mailbox. Athena sends an email message to your standard email application. It includes a link directly to Athena so that you can quickly see the new orders that have arrived. Log in to the Athena guest account using Internet Explorer or Firefox and see for yourself how easy Athena is to use. Softshare has developed hundreds of trading partner kits, with more being added daily, allowing you to instantly meet the EDI requirements of your trading partners. Thanks for your interest in Softshare Athena. Please call a Softshare sales representative to find out how you can open your own Athena mailbox.
Whether it's depositing a check, making a cup of coffee, or getting a media proof